So here we have a question. 14 plus 18 divide 6 multiply 2. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. So according to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so in this question we have one addition, one division and one multiplication. So first we have solved to multiplication and division. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so first we have to solve this division. Is equal to 14 plus, now 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3 multiply 2. Now we have one addition and one multiplication. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve multiplication. Okay, so is equal to 14 plus, now 3 multiply 2 is equal to 6. So now 14 plus 6 is equal to 20. Okay, so the correct answer is 20.